Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will introduce you a website where you can generate images and videos for free using AI. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should open your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, just open it. Okay, and the website is WAN.MOVIE. Enter it. You can log in with your Gmail account, and then after that, on the left side we have AI images and AI videos. Okay, it is free to use, and once you generated your image, you can download it and use it for free. First, I'm going to generate an image. Okay, click on AI images. These images I have already generated, so let's generate another image. Make an image where people are playing football in the play. Okay. And then after that, you should here you should choose the layout of your image. So I'm going to choose this one and click generate image. Okay, as you can see, there is generating 9%. So you should wait until the creating image is finished. So yeah, and the speed is very fast, as you can see. It has generated many images. Yeah, and you can download it, these images, for free, and you can use it. Just click and download. You can download with watermark and without. So I'm going to download without watermark. Click on that. It has been downloaded. Let's open it. As you can see, it has the best quality and you can use it. Yeah, that's how you can generate image. If you want to generate an AI videos, click on that and then choose text to videos. Just describe your video, and you can choose the layout and click generate video. That's how you can generate AI videos, AI images using this website. That's it guys, I hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. Like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.